Hello friends, is your engine shaking, running rough, or lacking power? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0303, this means cylinder 3 is misfiring. If left unchecked, it can cause poor fuel efficiency, loss of power, and even serious engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what P0303 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0303? P0303 stands for Cylinder 3 Misfire Detected. This means that the powertrain control module has detected an irregular combustion in Cylinder 3. If ignored, this can lead to expensive repairs. Common symptoms of P0303: check engine light on, engine runs rough or vibrates at idle, loss of power and hesitation during acceleration, higher fuel consumption, engine may stall or hesitate, unusual exhaust smell or backfiring. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible. Sensor location: where to check to diagnose P0303. Check these critical locations. Cylinder 3, spark plug and ignition coil. Located on top of cylinder 3, typically near the engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor. Found near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, it monitors engine rotation. Camshaft position sensor. Usually located on the cylinder head, it helps control ignition timing. Fuel injector for cylinder 3, mounted on the intake manifold near cylinder 3, it regulates fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, located between the air filter and throttle body, it measures incoming air. Throttle position sensor, positioned on the throttle body, it regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, found before and after the catalytic converter, it monitors air-fuel mixture. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, found around the engine, they regulate air balance and pressure. A fault in any of these parts can trigger P0303. Common causes of P0303. A faulty spark plug or ignition coil in cylinder 3 can cause misfires. If the fuel injector for cylinder 3 is clogged or failing, the fuel supply will be uneven. A weak fuel pump or a failing fuel pressure regulator can lead to misfires due to low fuel pressure. Cracked or loose vacuum hoses can let extra air into the engine, causing misfires. A dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor can send incorrect air data, making the engine run improperly. Issues with the crankshaft or camshaft position sensors can cause ignition and fuel timing to be off. Excessive carbon buildup in cylinder 3 can block fuel and airflow. A clogged catalytic converter can disrupt exhaust flow and trigger a misfire. Lastly, damaged wires or a faulty PCM can send incorrect signals, leading to misfires. How to fix P0303. First, check the spark plug and ignition coil for cylinder 3, and replace them if they are worn or damaged. Next, inspect and clean the fuel injector for cylinder 3, and replace it if it's faulty. Measure the fuel pressure to ensure the fuel pump and regulator are functioning correctly. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Inspect the vacuum hoses and intake manifold for leaks. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Check the catalytic converter and exhaust system for blockages. Finally, reset the code and test drive the vehicle. P0303 is a serious issue that can damage your engine if ignored. Diagnosing it early will save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P02682, Cylinder 12 Injector Circuit High, and P0283, Cylinder 7 Contribution Balance Fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.